These books are gold. If you're wondering why you should read these books, here are the reasons. The first things, they will set you up to becoming the best version of yourself. Okay. The second thing is that they will give you a lot of information about life, real world life, and about humans and how we interact and how we live in general, and how all of this is connected to our emotions. Third, they will change your perspective about many things, the way you see things. You might become more understanding, patient. You'll develop really good qualities, habits along the way while you read these books. And you might also have a few good moments of joy and happiness and sadness, and also big revelations. Ki, oh my god, is that what I was feeling? Is that who I am? So if you are someone who is interested in all of these things, let's get started. So the first book is by Jen Sincero, which is called You Are a Badass at Making Money. If you're someone who wants to make money, this book is crucial for you. If you're someone who does not want to make money, you can skip this book and go on to the next book. Simple as that. Jen Sincero has a really good writing style. She's very funny. She explains things in a very lucid manner. What I like about this book is that it's not a textbook, it's not a guide to finances. It is about how your relationship with your money can change, and has changed my relationship with money. So I would definitely recommend you to read this as well. The second book is Everything is Figure Outable by Marie Forleo. This book, I do not have words for this book, to be honest. You should just read it. That's it. Buy a copy. Trust me on this. And you will not regret it, because it is going to come, shake your soul up, especially if you're a girl, and transform your life. That's what this book is going to do to you. It is going to come to you on such a deep level that you will not regret it. That's all I can say about it. The third one is The Power of Habit. The book is divided into 3 parts, and it explains how a little habit can transform an entire society. Okay, not just on an individual level, but also a company level and a country level. So I love this book. You should definitely give it a try. The fourth book is What I Know For Sure by the one and only Oprah, of course. How can we talk about self-help without talking about Oprah? Anyway, this book has certain principles that sometimes life gets really uncertain, but what is there in life which is certain? And in moments of fear, uncertainty, this book will really help you understand what are the things which stay with you despite everything. The fifth book is Productivity Superhero. This book has transformed my time management skills and my discipline. It's a very quick book. It's literally a 100-page book. The book is divided in such a manner that it's a challenge. Okay, it's a 30-day challenge. You have to read the book in 30 days. You have to read 1 page every day and follow whatever is given in that 1 page. It barely takes 2 minutes to read that page and to do the activity. It will transform your time management skills and your discipline over time. It also has really great techniques to manage time, obviously, and also to make changes in your schedule practically as well as emotionally. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy these books. These are the must-haves for any teenager or anybody, I would say, who is even tiny bit excited in personal development. That's it, Devika signing off. Bye bye.